Hey guys, I'm Moshe Tekoma. I'm back with another video. In this video, I will show you how to take noiseless photos in night. So it's kind of night photography, guys, in any Android mobile or iPhone. So right now I will talk about in Android. So the trick is nothing, guys. Just changing shutter speed. If you don't get manual modes, just install this app called Beacon. You can see here Beacon app. This thing will give you manual. So you can see here manual focus, full manual white balance, full manual exposure, semi manual ISO, full manual exposure. If you don't get any manual mode in default camera, so first thing is download that or go to this app called default camera. In that, click here manual mode. So you can see here I will reset this thing. So in auto mode I will change this to maximum. So maximum kind of like this. So I will keep the setting to like this. For ignore that. So to test your manual focus, just zoom and see here. If you get clarity, then that zoom, then your manual focus is true. You can accept that manual setting. So next thing, click this S button, which is called shutter speed. So first thing, go to all to 1 second. So right now it's too dark, so I will go to +4. Okay, +4. In this way you can take a galaxy picture also, space pictures also in your mobile. So just click and wait for 4 seconds. So you can see here. So you can see here. You can see the setting. I zoom it for 2.4 and you can see here there is little noise. Okay. So next thing, I'll zoom up everything. Zoom out to 1%. So now manual setting will always to go to 8 seconds. So right now I will I will turn like this. So you can see here. So there's something fishy. Let's check that thing. Okay, now we got shutter speed 8 seconds. Then we'll change it to 800 ISO. Okay, let's check and wait for 8 seconds. So in this way you can take manual photos pretty nice, guys, and natural. Even I can change this dark photo into light photo. You can see here. See, it just changed. We didn't even turn it on flash also. Without turning on flash, see, you can see here there is no flash on it when you change shutter speed. Okay, let's move to 30 seconds. At this time I will show myself. Okay, I will set the timer to 10 seconds. Okay, I will take photos of myself. Okay, let's click it. Sorry guys, there's a bike gone, so photo might be fishy. Oh, bike didn't stop. So you can see here I shake it. Since I can breathe, I'm a human, so I can't hold for 32 seconds. So this space is shaky, but in this case you can see the light, and you can see here even the bike details. Okay. So you can see here bike details. You can see a brightness, housing. You can see that mountain itself. See. So right now I will change this to lightest. I will show you the mountains itself. I will change all the way to 3200, and I will change the white balance to 6500. Let's check out. Wait, I will turn off this shit. Okay, let's wait for 32 seconds. And ISO is pretty high, like 3200. It is not equal to like DSLR settings, like 256,000 or 62,000 or like that. This ISO is pretty much high for mobile phones. Okay, so let's wait. Just a few more seconds left. Even I can't see. I'm using an homemade stabilizer. So here it is. Ta-dang! You can see it. It's a 4x full zoom out, guys. Full zoom out, and it's pretty high. Okay, I will zoom out and take again photo. So you see, okay, let's go back to there, and now it's time to check out the photo. See, it's just like daylight, guys. You can see there is it's pretty high, so settings so it's kind of funny, but you can see that it's look like shot in daylight, but it's, you can compare it with now, you can't see anything. So I hope this tutorial helped you. This is a simple trick, guys. Play with shutter speed and ISO. You will get nice photos in night photography. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe.